Today, windy with showers and thunder showers. High.
Oh, hello there!
High.
Hello!
High. Winds could occasionally gust over 6 miles per hour. Tonight, rain and rain and rain and rain and rain and rain. High. 60, 60, 60, 60.
No!
A warning has been issued.
What is this? Is it a purr?
This is a special weather statement issued at 3 a.m.
The EAS alarm!
The County Weather Service has issued a warning for northwestern Pacific Tornado County and southwestern County until 10 a.m. At 6 a.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe capable of producing a
High.
This dangerous storm was located near 1999 and 1965. Locations impacted include Raymond and Taco. This includes the following highways in Washington. U. Move to a window of a building or the tornado. Move to the closest building and move to the closest window. Move to the closest flying debris.
Now she takes it
U.
with just the press of a button.